the sums I'm going to do, which is a CU BCom honors sum. CU BCom honors sum. The sum I'm going to do. CU BCom honors. Here, the finished goods cost is not given. I have to calculate, and I will show you how to calculate and how easily you can remember this. Just look at. Again, I am just bifurcating my board so that I can fit the sum over here. The sum starts with, always remember, the sum starts with raw material consumed. Raw materials consumed. Raw material consumed. Under that, the first element is opening stock of raw material. Opening stock of raw material given in the sum. How much? 16,000. Okay. Then add purchase of raw material. Add purchase of raw material. How much it is given in the sum? 1,11,600. That is purchase of raw material given 1,11,600. Then given less closing stock of raw materials, and the value given, how much? Value is given 19,600. Just look at the board. Without calculator I am trying to do 16,000 and 19,600. This 19,000 is minus 3,600. Okay, so 1,11,600 minus 3,600. How much is the value coming? It is coming 1,08,000. It is coming 1,08,000. This is our raw material consumed. You can check it in your calculator as well. 3,600, 1,08,000. This is the raw material consumed. After that, what will we write? Given in the sum, add productive wages. Given productive wages. Write add productive wages, and the value is given. Productive wages is 67,200. 67,200. Addition will be 1,75,200. Is it so? 1,75,200. That is called what? That is called our prime cost. That is called our prime cost. After that, the elements are coming under. If you look at, try to understand what I have written. Raw material consumed, opening stock of raw material, at purchase, less closing stock of raw material, it comes 1,08,000. Then add productive wages, no chargeable expenses given in the sum. That's why I did not write chargeable expenses. Productive wages 67,200. After adding this value, we are getting prime cost 1,75,200. After that, what will we write? We are writing, this is called factory overhead. Factory overhead. Don't worry, the sum will be flashed on the screen. Don't worry. Factory overhead. Under this, the first element is coming. What? Look at. Given machine hour worked. In the sum given machine hour worked and machine hour rate. So these two values is required to calculate the factory expenses. I am writing under factory expenses. Factory expenses. What is the value given? Machine hour worked is given 8,000 is machine hour worked. 8,000 and machine hour rate is given 2.5. 8,000 into 2.5, how much will it be? It will be 20,000. It will be 20,000. So I am putting inner column 20,000. Okay. 8 2s are 16 and 0.5 into 8 means 4,000. Total is 20,000. Then I am writing, that is opening work in progress. What is the value given opening work in progress? 12,600 less closing WIP. What is the value given? Closing WIP. The value is given is 4,600. Look at the board. 12,600 minus 4,600 is 8,000. 20 plus 8,000 equal to 28,000, isn't it? After adding this, how much we are getting? We are getting 1,75,200 plus 28,000. It will be 2,03,200. That is our works cost. That is our works cost. Got it? That is our works cost. Okay. Now I am moving on to the next part. Next part. Look at. Next part. Again I am drawing the line. Now it is called office and administrative overhead. Okay. Office and administrative overhead. What is the thing comes under this? Given, directly given, office and administrative expenses 20,800. Office and administrative expenses given 20,800. I am writing outer column 20, sorry. It is 20,800. 20,800. Add 23,200 plus 20,800. It will come 2,24,000. 2,03,200 plus 20,800. 2,24,000. This is called cost of production. This is called what? Cost of production. Okay. Now we will add opening finished goods and less closing finished goods. As per the sum, opening finished goods value is given 16,400 and the unit has been given how much? 3,000. Given. But closing finished goods given 2,500, I think, yes, 2,500, but no value is given. How will I calculate? Big question. How will I calculate? Now, we are considering the method called FIFO. FIFO. I think you are quite accustomed with the term FIFO. FIFO means first in, last out. This is the term called FIFO. First in, first out. First in, first out is FIFO. LIFO is last in, first out. First out. So, opening finished goods are declared first. Now, we have to calculate value of unsold finished goods. Value of unsold finished goods. How? Just look at cost of production divided by number of units produced into unsold unit. Cost of production divided by number of units produced into unsold units. This is the formula for value of unsold finished goods. Now first we have to know what is the number of units produced. How to calculate? Remember, sale unit. Remember, this is unit. plus closing stock minus opening stock equal to production. So what is the sales unit given in the sum? If I look at, given the number of units sold is 40,500 plus what is the closing stock given in the sum? 2,500. Then what is the unit still in the opening? Minus 3,000. So look at, the production is 40,000. Look at 40,500 is the selling unit. Closing stock was 2,500. Opening stock was 3,000. And production, we don't know. We are calculating. We are getting the production. Okay. Now, I am putting the value over here. Just look at. This is the formula. I am writing. Cost of production equal to 2,24,000 divided by number of unit produced 40,000 into unsold stock, how much? 2,500. If you calculate, you can get the value of unsold unit. You can calculate. So the value is coming, I think, 5.6. Yes, the per unit value is coming 5.6 into 2,500. How much? 5.6 into 2,500. Let me check in the calculator. It's coming 14,000. It's coming 14,000. So I'm putting over here 14,000 negative. Okay, we are using the FIFO method. I'm just erasing it out. It's coming 14,000. Got it? So the value I'm putting out down here, it is going outside 2,400, no? 16,400 and 14,000 is 2,400 positive. Add this, 2,26,400 is cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Then I'm writing selling and distribution overhead. Selling and distribution overhead. We have come to the almost end part. Selling and distribution overhead. How much? They said, here the calculation, they said that selling and distribution overhead 50 paise per unit sold. So selling expenses is how much? 50 paise per unit sold. So the unit sold was 40,500 and value is 0.5. So the calculation will show 20,250. 20,250 is the selling expenses. You add these two values, you will get 2,46,650. That is your cost of sales. Cost of sales. Then we will write profit. Don't know, not given in the sum. Given sale price 2,83,500, right? Sale price 2,83,500. 2,83,500. Now subtract it, you will get it. 50, it becomes 7, 8, then it becomes 7, 6, it becomes 5, 3. So 36,850 is our profit. This is the sum, we have done it. 36,850. You have seen how I have calculated the closing finished goods. In next video of mine, I will show you how to do different kinds of cost sheet. Okay, thank you to all of you.